Hello Natalie, it's Jan from Hunter Holden in Ryde, Sydney. As our per conversation yesterday, this is the car that you did look up, and I hope that your clients like it with the pictures, but I'd like to take an opportunity to do a quick walk around that you can forward to your client too. SV6 2013 VE Series 2 in Ultra Grey, very nice car. So therefore, let me know if there's any question, but I'm just going to do a quick walk around for you. I'm just going to go inside so your client can also have a look at the dash look. So Natalie, hopefully that should be enough for your clients to have a good look, but let me know if any questions. You can contact me on 88787857 and ask for Yan, Y-A-N. Thank you.